What's going on, guys? Decelation, Brian.
What's going on, peeps?
You're dropping screws.
That's right, we got more.
Oh, there it is. So today, Brian's going to be dropping screws everywhere. And what are we working on? What's on the table right here?
We're installing the seat belts.
What? We're going to do seat belts, and then we're going to install the seats. So we kind of got the seat in there. It's just sitting on the brackets, so we know where to align the shoulder mount. And what did we say, Brian? We're going to install the seat belts in the seats, and then just for shits and giggles, toss the dash in.
Yeah, we're going to put the dash in, plug it all up, make sure everything works, and maybe go out for a little drive.
Yeah. Because this will be the first time we've taken this on the drive with bolted in seats and seat belts. What? We're actually going to have safety equipment in this.
The first time we're ever going to adult in this vehicle.
Yeah. I mean, honestly, this vehicle wasn't meant to be an adult.
No, it wasn't meant to be an adult. You got to pretend you're an adult there somewhere. I mean, just having the seats bolted down is far better than it was before.
It was crazy, and the only reason why we did that as quickly as we did is because I was taking my mom for a drive. Yeah, love you, Mom. I wasn't gonna let you drive in that sketchiness.
Yeah, that was a little too sketchy for Mom with the seats sliding around. She's a tiny person, so as soon as you hit the brake, she'd have been under the dashboard.
Yeah, that is true. I mean, there's not much space under the dashboard, so she wouldn't have went far. But yes. Yeah, so we're gonna get this going. Stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. Brian,
What's going on, peeps?
bro, how we feeling?
Feeling pretty good. It's a big change there.
Do they deserve
Yeah, might as well let them look. I mean, they watched it in the videos.
But look at that. Oh my God, that interior just pops. That is literally better than I envisioned. Like, I had an idea, it came to my head, but that came out way better than I expected. Got the seat belts in. Brian and I actually buckled ourselves in.
They work.
They work. We are very close to each other. But, you know, look at the size of the truck. It's not very big on the inside. But, man.
It's like airplane seats.
You just get nice and cozy. And, I'm so stoked. I am really stoked. Like, look. Let's see if we can get it. Yeah, that view right there. That came out beautifully. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked about this. So, yeah, this made it feel real close. Like, we're almost there, aren't we, Brian?
We are. A few more things we're doing the next couple videos, and should be about ready to go.
About ready to get it registered and going.
Until we throw ourselves off a bridge trying to put the windows in the doors.
Oh, yeah, don't remind me. Yes, I know, people. We should have, before we painted it, done the power windows, because we got to do some cutting. But what's the perk about spray painting your truck, Brian?
Just cover it back up again.
Exactly.
We have the whole paint shop still over there on shelves. There's some black ones and some gray ones, and
all the way over there. So
yeah, we have plenty of touch-up paint.
So we'll get it going. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Sorry we didn't get to driving it this video. We're definitely gonna drive it next video. So stay tuned. We are going to drive it next video. Maybe that'll be the start out tree to the next video.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah, we're gonna take it out for a drive. That's the first thing we're gonna do next video. Because, I mean, we've got to drive it. But right now, if you can see, that's the window outside. It's pitch black out there. And people can't drive. So I'll be very mad if someone runs into this. It's not insured yet. So need to get on that. But, yeah. Man.
Good times.
Good times. All right. Thank you guys for watching this video. This was a big one. It was kind of not a lot of work, but a lot of work at the same time. But a lot of visual progress completed, which I love these videos because like you really see it, like looks like it leaps ahead in progress. But thank you. If you like this type of content, you want to see what we're doing next, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button if you like the video, and comment down below, tell us what you think about the almost finished interior of my truck. Have a good one, guys. Peace.
Take it easy, peeps.